Hey man, I'm out of here, and that's just the way it is. I still haven't made a name in this biz, but when this album drop, I'll finally say I quit it and give a big fuck you to every cynic. You never fucking knew me. How come you don't look me in the eyes when you screw me? I just got severed from my girlfriend. I can't put rapper on an application, man. It's a whirlwind. I don't know what I'ma do if this don't work. I don't got a backup plan, I don't got reverse. Girls approach me and I'm like down. I roll up to a girl and she might frown. Like the new me, it's not really new. Still making music with Vaughn and still